Bro, what are you doing?
You interrupted my sleep. I was having a great sleep with this mog tape. And super good sleeps ever since I got this mog tape off TikTok Shop.
Really?
Yeah. So if you wake up feeling more refreshed, deeper sleep cycles, reduced facial fat, like my jawline's been looking crazy ever since I started using these.
I did notice that.
Also, it like makes you breathe through your nose. I'm a mouth breather at night and I'm always snoring. This gets rid of that. It improves your dental hygiene because you're not breathing with your mouth open. Everyone's been saying that these are super expensive. $10 for a 30 pack on TikTok Shop. If you try these, I promise your sleep is gonna get so much better. If you guys wanna check them out, I'm gonna leave the link right here.